Now here we go again with another SVR. It's a 2021 21 registration, Santorini Black, 575 brake horsepower, Range Rover Sport SVR with specification. Because as standard, you don't get heads-up display, you don't get soft closed doors, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, refrigerator. Well, this car has all that. With only 31,000 miles on, it's in a beautiful condition and it's got full Land Rover service history. The car's amazing. At just over £50,000, the car is almost half price. Now, a lot has happened over the last 12, 24 months. Insurance, the rate of theft of these vehicles, but a lot has changed. Ghost immobilizers are now getting installed on most of them, including this one. The insurance premium has started to come down now. This is an amazing car, which has power, sound, looks, and then all the specification. You've got the carbon fibre bonnet on this particular car, another extra, and you can tell straight away with the bonnet scoops. This is the painted version. They do a version where it has the exposed on the carbon in the middle. So it is carbon fibre, but it's painted. The quad lighting system with the LED daytime running lights, the huge SVR bumpers with the massive air vents, front rear parking sensors, headlight washers, and then you have the all-important 22-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the black brake calipers. Air suspension, side venting finished in black, sun protection glass, comfort access, and as I mentioned, this car does have soft closed doors. But look at the condition of the interior. The car's done 31,000 miles, so this is exactly what you expect. No sort of imperfections on the leather, you've got the side pockets there, electric memory and heated seats both for driver and passenger, the Sport SVR seat with a metallic under the headrest and the SVR stamped on the headrest. Touchscreen media system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, digital radio, the ambient lighting pack, twin cup holders, 2 keys, and then as I mentioned, you have got the refrigerator under the centre armrest, and above your head, you've got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. It's an SVR, so there's lots of premium materials throughout the full vehicle, including the Alcantara roof lining. You've then got that perforated Alcantara insert on the rear seat, third zone climate control, hard back on the driver and passenger seats, 3-point seat belts, and the centre armrest comes down. The ambient lighting continues round the back. This car also has a factory fitted electric deployable tow bar. That's a cracking feature. The car's got enough power to tow, so why not? Quad tailpipes that make a fantastic sound. The black badging continues round the back. Massive boot space. It's all good and well having a car with 575 brake horsepower if you can't put a couple of suitcases in there. Well, this one, you haven't got that problem. It is a 2021-21 registration. There's the registration number if you want to get an insurance quote, because I do know how much of a part that will play in buying a car like this, because I remember if this car was £75,000 12 months ago and now it's 50 or just over, and your insurance is £1,000 more than it should be normally, you're still saving £19,000 because they've devalued quite a lot and they've levelled out. So you're still winning and you get a good deal, if you know what I mean. Seats go down 60-40. There's the button for the tow bar. So you press it once, the tow bar comes out. The air suspension means you can lift and raise the car to make loading and offloading a little bit harder or easier. Boot lid spoiler at the top. But the condition of the car, it has done 31,000 miles, so you expect the car to be nice and neat with no dents and no scratches, and that's exactly what it is. Hasn't been smoked in, the door cards are in perfect condition, the back of the seats, again, haven't been kicked. It's just a great all-round vehicle. The car then comes with 12 months MOT. It has got full Land Rover service history, I've mentioned that already. If it is due a service within the next 6 months on 6,000 miles, we'll service it before you get the car. More cubbyhole space there, memory seats, window switches, and then as for the driver's side, you've got adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, SVR steering wheel as well, and then your normal reversing camera system. Heads-up display, which is a big feature. If you're looking at another SVR, it's £1,000 less, but it hasn't got soft closed doors and it hasn't got heads-up display, it's not the same car. And get the best version, one with Land Rover service history and one that's been looked after. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the screen. If you like what you see, do call me, get it reserved, and we'll sort the rest out. Thanks for watching, bye-bye now.